Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to sell products on Ko-Fi in 2026. So if you want to sell digital downloads, services, or creative products online, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, go to Ko-Fi and sign in to your account using email or Google. Once inside your dashboard, click on the Shop tab. This is where you create and manage your products. If you haven't already, enable the Shop feature. This allows you to start listing items for sale. Now click Add Product and choose what you want to sell, like digital files, commissions, or services. If it's a digital product, upload your file like an ebook, template, or design pack. Now enter your product title, description, and make it clear what the buyer will get. Clear details help you sell more. Next, set your price. You can choose fixed pricing or let customers pay what they want. Make sure your PayPal or Stripe account is connected so you can receive payments instantly. Now click Publish and your product will be live on your Ko-Fi shop. Share your shop link on YouTube, Instagram, or anywhere your audience is active to start getting sales. You can track all your sales, orders, and earnings directly in your Ko-Fi dashboard. So that's how to sell products on Ko-Fi in 2026. Once your shop is set up, you can start earning from your digital products right away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.